Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 14, Pictorial Interpretation of Data of class 3. So let's start. So get started. Look at the given pictures carefully. Some beautiful pictures given over here. So complete the table given below and answer the following questions. Some animals given over here, like they are asking how many animals are there all together. Total how many animals are there? You can count it, right? Then the second one, which animal is the most in number? सबसे ज़्यादा animal कौन से हैं? तो आप सबको separately count करेंगे. Then you can compare it. And the third one, which animal is the least in number? सबसे कम कौन सा है? आप comparison करेंगे. And the fourth one, how many more ducks are there than cows? डक्स कितनी ज़्यादा है काउज से? तो काउज नंबर यू फाइंड आउट, डक्स नंबर यू फाइंड आउट एंड देन कंपेयर इट. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी इजी, राइट? नाउ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डाटा. डाटा मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन. किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को, डाटा को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? सो वी कैन एक्सप्रेस अ गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन इन अ नंबर ऑफ वेज. देर आर सो मेनी वेज टू एक्सप्रेस. We may express in the words or symbols through graph or pictures etc. To represent the information through graph, we use pictures, symbol, bars. So the collection of information is called data. Data का मतलब क्या है? कोई information collect करना. Suppose आपकी क्लास में आपकी टीचर मार्क्स लिखते हैं, मैथ्स मार्क्स हैं. Suppose we are making a list कि इस बच्चे के इतने मार्क्स हैं. वी आर राइटिंग द नेम्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर राइटिंग देयर मार्क्स. सो इट मीन्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर कलेक्टिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन. सो दैट इज द डाटा, राइट? सो pictograph, when we make use of picture symbols to represent information, we call it the pictorial representation or a pictograph of the given information. जब हम किसी information को pictures के through represent करते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं pictograph. So see, it's very interesting. Like the first one, the following pictograph shows the particulars of the weight of the students in a class. एक class के students हैं, उनके weight को हम represent कर रहे हैं. Like underweight, these pictures. Like overweight, this one, and normal, this one. तो इससे हमें क्या information मिल रही है? The first one, students who are underweight. कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो अंडरवेट हैं? वी कैन काउंट इट 1 2 3 4 5 6 आर अंडरवेट. एंड हाउ मेनी आर ओवरवेट? कितने ओवरवेट हैं? 1 2 3 4. एंड हाउ मेनी आर विद नॉर्मल वेट? तो हमें काउंट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज 10. एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हम सबको ऐड कर देंगे, टोटल इज 20. तो एक हमें पिक्टोग्राफ से हमें क्या, एक इंफॉर्मेशन, कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन वी आर गेटिंग. Okay, so now exercise 14.1 is based on such type of question. So let's see here, like the second question, the pictograph given below shows the number of balloons sold by a balloon seller near India Gate, Delhi during a week. So these pictures are showing sale of balloons on different days. So Monday 3 pictures, Tuesday 4. And one balloon, one picture is showing 5 balloons. So according to this you have to give the answer. So the A part, on which day were the minimum number of balloons sold? So minimum number of balloons sold, which day? Wednesday. So how many? 1 2 into 5, answer is 10, right? And B part, what is the total number of balloons sold at India Gate over the week? So count the pictures, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. 17 multiplied by 5 means 85 balloons, right? And the C part, on which day of the week were 20 balloons sold? So you can see 4 pictures. Tuesday 4 into 5, 20. So on Tuesday 20 balloons sold. So like this you can give the answer. It's very easy. Like the third question, read the pictograph given below and answer the questions. Apple, guava, pineapple, oranges, fruits given over here. like A part, how many oranges are there? You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this you can give the answer. It's very easy. Now we are talking about tally marks. अब tally marks क्या होते हैं? These are used to count the number in figures. Each group of tally marks has 5 marks. The 5th mark crosses the other 4 to keep the group together. जैसे सपोज 1 नंबर लिखना है हमें, तो उसको हम 1 लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. 2 है तो 2 लाइन्स, 3 है तो 3 लाइन्स, 4 है तो 4 लाइन्स, एंड 5 है देन वी विल मेक अ बंच, 4 लाइन्स एंड 5th will cross it. And 6 means 5 plus 1, so 1 bunch and 1 line. And 7 means 5 plus 2, 1 bunch and 2 line. 8 means 1 bunch and 3 line. 9 means 1 bunch and 4 lines. And 10 means 5, 5, 2 bunch. Okay. So, example. Given is the data of the weather in a city during 15 days. So, make a record of the weather of your city or town for a month, like weather given here, how was the weather, and number of days given over here. Now you can answer the following question, like A part, how many sunny days were there? How many sunny days were there? ये tally marks हैं. आप देखो sunny day से corresponding how many marks are there? 5 and 3, 8, right? And B part, how many days did it rain? Rainy day only 1. Okay. So did it snow? Snow हुआ कभी? No. There is no mark, means nil. No. 0. Then D, were there any cloudy days? How many? कोई cloudy day था? Nothing. Okay. So 0. Were there any windy days? How many? Yes. The first one 4. So like this we can read it and we can give the answer. Like exercise 14.2 is based on such type of question. Like number 1, in a pet shop the following number of fish are seen in each aquarium. Here represent the data using tally marks. Aquarium 1, 2, 3, 4, number of fish given. अब हमें tally marks use करना है. So 12. So how we can write 12? By using tally marks. So 12 means 5, 5 and 2. 12. ऐसे 16 है. 16 means 5, 5, 5, 15 and 1, 16. So like this we can do. So similarly you can try remaining questions. Now MCQs over here. The first one representing data by using pictures is called C part, pictograph. The second one, how we can represent 11 by tally marks, 5, 5, 1. So B part, okay, 5, 5, 1. And the third one, pictograph, is also known as pictograph, okay. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.